Hey, this is Andrew Brown, and we'll be taking a look here at AWS Backup, which allows you to centrally manage backups across your AWS services. So this could be for Amazon S3, VMware VMs, DynamoDB, FSx file system, EC2, EFS, EBS, RDS, and Aurora backend. So that is a SAP HANA relation there. Storage gateway, that's what SGW stands for, document DB, Neptune, TimeStream, and more. So like one was like CloudFormation. I didn't really understand how that would work. I imagine it's looking at CloudFormation for resources within that to back up. So the idea is you need to create a backup plan. This is a policy that defines the backup schedule, backup window, and backup lifecycle. You have a backup vault. This is where your backups are going to be stored. Backup vaults are write once, read many, and you set a retention period. There are two types of vaults. We have standard vault and air gap vault. Things will initially go into the default vault, the standard one. If you want to move things in the air gap one, you can do that afterwards. I assume that is an enterprise feature. Resources can be assigned a backup plan using AWS resource tags. You can directly select resources, but this is the preferred way of marking things for backup. You can back up resources to other AWS regions and AWS accounts. You can manage backups from a centralized account across your entire AWS organizations. Backups are incremental, so you only store the difference instead of full backups to save the cost. AWS backups can use an independent KMS encryption key from that of your AWS resources. Associated charges for AWS backup appear as backup under Cost Explorer. AWS backups are immutable to avoid them being tampered with. And then there's this other thing called the AWS Backup Audit Manager, which is a built-in reporting and auditing for AWS backups. What I didn't mention here, and we'll see that very evidently when we do the lab, is that you can choose to do an on-demand backup, a backup immediately, or you can make your backup plan, which will then run on a schedule. I had a few little issues there, but we did get through the lab and figured it out in the end. But yeah, we'll get into that next, okay?